Welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about how to integrate Systeme.io with SendGrid to level up your email marketing automation. If you're using Systeme.io for sales funnels or online courses, integrating it with SendGrid allows you to send more reliable and professional emails. First, log into your Systeme.io dashboard and navigate to Settings. Then click on Email Configuration. Here, you'll find the option to connect an SMTP service. Choose SendGrid as your provider. Now, switch over to your SendGrid dashboard and go to Settings. Click on API Keys. If you don't already have one, create a new API key. Copy this key because you'll need it in the next step. Back in Systeme.io, paste the API key into the SMTP configuration. You'll also need to input SendGrid's SMTP server, which is smtp.sendgrid.net, and the username will be API key. This is the literal username for SendGrid. For the password, use the API key you just created. Set the port to 587 for TLS or 465 for SSL, depending on your setup. Once you've connected your account, send a test email to make sure everything's working smoothly. If the test is successful, your Systeme.io account is now integrated with SendGrid. And you can start sending emails via your funnels or automation flows. Well, that's all for this integration. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more integration tips. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.